Let's take a look at how we can work with master data coming from sales order line being transferred to production order line for later use in the shop floor in the manufacturing environment. I have created a sales order on an item, and by creating it, it will automatically have made some of my master data coming from my item card. I have manually added a line saying paint the rim red with yellow dots. And maybe I could say stripes or something like this. And I've checkmarked in the transfer to production order line column the 4 master data information that I'd like to transfer to my production order while creating it. So from my sales order, I will go into the standard functionality of creating a production order like this. And when it suggests if I want to delete the master data, I say no, because I actually want to transfer it from my sales order to the firm plan production order that I've made. Taking a look at the firm plan production order now, I would assume it to be the last one, and I would expect it to have transferred my master data information to the production order line, in this case the firm plan production order. Now if somebody on my sales order changes this master data information, this could come from the customer, it could also have been files or anything that we need to provide to the manufacturing, to the production area. Let's try to change the master data information on the sales order line and say we needed yellow and green dots instead. And we need to make sure to update the firm plan production order, because the production people could use the master data information in itself to add stuff, and therefore we would like to make sure that they update it manually. So from the firm plan order, if I look into my master data, it's not updated, of course, but if I select the function up here, update master data information from sales order, it will update the information from the sales order, add it to my firm plan production order, and those will also be transferred to the release production order and the finished production order when it gets to that. And manually, I could also change information in here. I could add something, but I wouldn't suggest you to do that, and leave the production order line master data for the sales order and use the master data on the header, routing and components instead for the internal comments from production.